Kuotoshna okoshoka tichoya hano okoya chaya ka atoya. As we come into center of being, otoshoko choshona ichoko shaya koya shaya. We open to doshai. The plasma structures atoshoko kochi shikai toya through the Nairobian dochio ko shuko otoya toishi koya elemental fields achosha kikotai ho otoishai kaya, opening through the heart into the horizontal planes ototoshaya ko okoenaya toshai kotoshai ka atoya. As we look to the pyramid structures of the central hubs of union, dosha, ichoya, koya, we come in through the divine masculine to begin to clear out false geometries, dosha, koya, dosha, so false triangles, atai, isho, hoko, choya. These would be false pyramids built on triangle geometries, oto, osha, icho, hoko, choya, rather than the cube base geometry, okoko shaya aka no yakachi. Do shikoto oshai hoshaako shokotai shoya, and false healing modalities, ana ochai shokoyachi, that would remain locked in the tashiki physical planes, ato oshayokoya. Shoshatai Shahosha Achaya, which we're manipulating only energy within the lower densities. Ato Shokokoya Chai Shohokoya. So we open through the womb space, we come into the divine feminine for rehabilitation. Doshahaya through the essence energies. Ato Shoko Koshayakai. Totai Shiki Doda Aishoko. So we're clearing through the lineage of the Essenes, Oto Sho Okotai. Do Oshoi, the manipulation, Da Achoya Shakaya. Doshai Kaya Tashaka. And the false deity energies, Akoko Shakikaya Toshaya. Through the historical lineages, Ara Ochaisha Ako Toshaya. We open through central core to begin to collapse out the false knowledge and the false histories, ara okoshoya taichoya, and the entire matrix upon which oshoshati osho otoshoya, the structures have been built, otai shikikayato, through the starlight foundations, oshayoko kashai kahaka toto shokoya, gato shika kotoya achu. So these were galactic energies that were brought in, dosha ichoya, so that were feeding these false light architectures, oshokokayana ichoya. As we come into the foundational aspects of ascension through the matrix, oko, kotachi, shi, o, ochai, ishino hokoya. Ishana hokoya aha kochoya chikinai koshaya. Doshai koshana ichaya. As we begin to index the projections of Taishi through the reversal machinery ata okoshoka atai. So Daichi, as we see the divine masculine often lends the support structures through the light architecture Ochoya Koya. So all of the ways in which his energy was being harvested and used to build these false ladder systems. Ano Okochi Kikoto Ochi Shihiki, and the bypass zones, ataishoko, ata ishaya, auto of disillusionment, na oko koshi ichoi a kotoshi. We start to see the darkness, otoshi, which these beings have been living within, do ochoya, sho shaikoko, blinded, atoshoi, by the darkness, kato sho ko osha ichira o hanakoya. The level of distortion and despair within these containment sectors, akokoshina a koshi, that part of our mission is to come in to dismantle these machinations, otohoshai chuko, to release out the false prophets and the false prophecies, osha ichohokoya. So what seems like fall and destruction, do oshoya okoya, is in fact healing, lo oshayu oko, and resurrection through the true source light. No oko sha ichara oko cha ashoya. That each has chosen his path according to his will. No osho okotai ichaya. But all is never lost. And where the feminine energy has been used to feed these structures, then dosha equa through the unions. Ano. And we see this just referred to as these Essene architectures. So false deliverance, kochi kata ichoya, tashika kaya ko iana o, and false doshi revelation do ocha ko. We start to open through the back of the neck, dosha hikaya, into the truncated structures, kotoshika atishaya, through the fibers of being, hota ichaya. So all of the communication networks through which we send and receive within the human body, the network communication systems that has been woven into the earth planetary structures, which is run through the false grail and crucifixion templates, of servitude. Releasing out of the false gold. We return to first instance of landing, adoshi, and infiltration through the interoception planes, as we open through the past timelines into the histories to release out through the formulations of the mesh of the physical life forms of planetary structure. We part doshiki koyaya toshoya, the matrix with the waves, otoshoya koya, the flooding of the waters, oshoko koshikoya, as they rise, doshi koshaya haka koshaya. To reinsert doshi ko ataishe dominion do toshoya kayoto. Indexing the domain architectures of origin, de doshiki ana o ochai ishoho ga ochoy shai ko o oshana yakota ayachaya. We see the reset back to origin through the planetary systems. Oshare achoya, as the waters rise, as the atmosphere returns to its organic, original spin and calibration, Ashoro Ochaya, the reversal to true origin. Adoshi Ashara Oka Koshaya Ota. So we reverse the reversal manipulations Akoshiki Atai through the atmosphere. Osha Haputnai Kosho Kotai Isha Ako Toshaya. Tashai Iko Taishi, that as the storms begin to subside, Oshai Shohoko Taishi, that we come into the abundance and the stillness of being Hokoshi Ishokotai. So this is on a planetary level as well as an individual light being level. No Shai Ichoya, that once we have weathered the storm, which destroys all that is impure, anywhere there is distortion and impurity within the fields cannot withstand the light of origin. Otosho shaka anoshi ishoya yoko otoya shai. That we begin to rebuild doshi ika through the reset. Na hoshokotai isha koya. As we begin to tune to the crystal doshi ko otaya, through the crystal kingdom within the living planes, otosho koshi. We unroll the blueprints, otoshi shino oyatai sho onai. Of the original Do Oshika Ato Shota I kingdom of earth Anaoshaya. Anaoshai Katoya. Opening through the heart No Okoshaya. As we connect into the ketone frequencies within the earth's templates, Oshayiko Otoshi Shito Otoshaya Koya. As the ambassadors and the legions of light, dosha ichoya ko taishi, that we connect in dosha I with these resonant frequency signals within the spheres. Osha, as we coordinate to the gate structures of the earth. Shakato Osha Ishahata Ino O Osha Ayoko Dashi. The one source light reset of planetary being Otaisha, the planetary light being Otosho. Ho Chai Ishu Ko O Oshini A. Ta Akashi Kotaisha Iushoya Yatai. That as we attune to our own internal fields, Oshai, we cannot help but attune to the origin of planetary life force, Oshai Koto Ishaya, which essentially is what we speak of when we speak of the new fields or new earth, Ohoshai Ko Otai. It is all of original templating, the Aicho Shokoya. It is all part of the progression of the physical model of the planet. No da shokoshi itoya. That we would overturn and demonetize otoshoya within the structural systems. Oshara okai icho dosha kanoya. Tai shoko tai ina oshara okoi, as we begin to tune to the guardian doshi yoko, the guardianship otoshi of the legions ako Ishaya, clearing through the stratosphere. No Sho Ochai Isha, we align our atmospheric conditioning, the Oshayako, to the incoming light ranges. So that our spins and our frequency aligns to the origins. That we are supported through the origin planes now. That this was always the intended progression, and rather than living outside and being excluded and living in isolation and poverty, as many light beings have felt, that now it's as if we experience this as the tables have turned, that we are taking back our domain and resetting to what was always intended, so that we live our lives to the fullest through these what we would call human expressions, but that we are evolving humanity through light being, and will continue to move forward through and with the light internal, as placeholder, as structure, as our reason for being, that the exterior life, what we see in the reality, will begin to resolve the ishiki and revolve around light itself. And because we utilize the light in all that we do, that the proper doors open, because there is no other way. As you live of and through the light, you cannot help but tune to the origin templates. So in essence, there is nothing to fear. That it is the human programming that drives the fear, but we continue to drop this out through the realities of time, that it is the time lock structures to which we have been tied, where we have received all of these program structures, and lattice systems. And as this continues to collapse, the more that we struggle to hold on to our previous understandings, to make sense of the world through our prior knowledge, the original, what we would in this lifetime consider the human knowledge, the more we would struggle. So to continually tune into the heart, into the internal light, into source, as primary being, as we begin to step back, to seal through the starship transmissions, many blessings, and so it is.